Delicious stir-fry chicken thigh recipe. Let's make it. For large chicken thighs, remove the bone and trim. Then cut into small bite-sized pieces. Three tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of calamansi extract or lemon juice. A little bit of salt and pepper. A pinch of chicken powder or magic sarap. One teaspoon of paprika. Two tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix well. Marinate for at least 20 minutes. Heat the cooking oil. Stir fry until brown or fully cooked, medium-high heat. Remove the chicken from the pan. A little bit of cooking oil. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Add the chicken and mix. Add 3/4 tablespoon of soy sauce. Continue cooking for 40 seconds. Sprinkle with green onions, optional. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.